Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the sticker file and where the invalid asset error appears. You must check file type and size first because Discord rejects mismatched formats. This is why errors occur. Once done, open the server sticker upload interface or your bot's payload inspector and note the exact error message. Make sure to save the original file separately, then prepare a cleaned copy. This quick identification prevents wasted edits and gets you ready for the conversion steps that follow. You now convert and sanitize the asset to meet Discord's requirements. Open an editor, resize to the proper square dimensions, then flatten layers and strip metadata so hidden data won't inflate size. If it's animated, export as Appng or a Lottie JSON that your upload path accepts, and reduce frame complexity to stay under the 512 KB limit. Once optimized, test the file locally. This step fixes most invalid asset problems by aligning format, dimension, and payload constraints. You finish by uploading the corrected sticker and confirming success. Use the Discord UI for manual uploads or the API endpoint with the correct content type header when automating. This matters for how Discord parses the file. If the asset remains invalid, inspect the upload encoding, multi-part boundaries, and the file's magic bytes, because corrupt headers cause rejections. If problems persist, re-export from another tool or simplify the asset further. A single troubleshooting tip: recreate the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.